Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. For today's video I have this very simple, natural, everyday kind of makeup. If you guys want to see how I created it, then let's jump up right into the video. I'm starting off by priming my eyes, and I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is in the shade medium. So I'm just going to go in and apply it all over my lid and just blend it out with the brush. The palette I'll be using today is a Jaclyn Hill palette. This is the volume 2. The shade I'll be applying first is the Homebody shade. So I'm just going to be applying it on the outer V of my eye and just blending it out. I am picking up a little bit more color as I go and just blend it out with the same brush. Now using a Morphe blending brush, I don't remember the name of it, but just using that brush, I'm just going to blend it out, and I am going to go a little bit more up into my crease and bring it in towards the inner corner of my eye and just keep blending it out. If you feel like you need to go back and apply a little bit more color, definitely do so. So the next shade I'll be applying is the Certified shade. My camera did die on me, so I had to put it to charge. In the meantime, I went and I finished my whole face and the other eye. So yeah. Going back to the shade, I'm applying it with my finger to the inner part, which is the half inner part of my eye. And I'm just going to be blending it in towards the Homebody shade using a blending brush. Lashes, I'm using the CavalliLash, and these are in the style Dream. So I'm going to go in and curl my natural lashes first, and then I'll be applying these on. These were a little bit tricky. They didn't want to stick for some reason. They kept like lifting from the inner corner for some reason, and they kept poking me. But anyways, I made it work. So yeah, I'm just applying them on. I'm going in with the shade Ride or Diamonds, and I'll be applying it in the inner corners of my eye. Then for my waterline, I'm using this LA Girl eyeshadow primer, and I'm applying a little bit more of the Homebody shade and just blend it across my bottom lash line. Then I'm just applying a little bit of mascara to my lashes. And that is it. That completes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.